There is Because right there. Say hi, Because. Hello, everyone. We're sitting at the mansion right now, and though it doesn't look like it did last night, there's still quite a bit of tunes. These right here are my attempt at portal bots. There's the rest of the girls. There's the main bots for the mansion right there. I'm surprised I'm even able to record this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 accounts running right now. And they've been running for some of them for 11 hours. Um, as you can see from the launcher, Cause has been on for 11, Sumner's been for 12, and they kind of definitely been on for 7 hours straight, is when I went to. And I don't know if those restarted or if that's just when I turned them on or brought them in. But anyway, that's just an example of what good work these guys are doing, um, getting this game going again. Anyway, with that, just want to say goodbye, everyone. Again, goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.